In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a checklist to a card in Trello. Whether you're a Trello newbie just getting started with organizing your tasks or an experienced user looking for tips to streamline your workflow, this guide is perfect for you. Adding a checklist to a card in Trello is a practical way to break down tasks into manageable steps, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. To begin, let's navigate to Trello's homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in trello.com. Once the page loads, you'll see an option to log in at the top right corner. Click on Login if you already have an account. Trello offers the convenience to log in using your email or your Google account. Choose whichever method is more suitable for you and proceed. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Trello homepage, surrounded by your boards. Each board represents a different project, team, or personal plan you might be managing. Next, we want to dive a bit deeper into these boards, so look towards the top of the page and click on Boards. This will present you with a selection of all the boards you're part of. Within the Your Workspaces section on the left, find and click on the desired board where you want to add a checklist. Boards are essentially the digital dashboards where all your cards, representing individual tasks or projects, live. After clicking on a board, select the specific card you'd like to work on. A card in Trello acts like a digital note or container, holding all your related tasks, attachments, and due dates. Now we're getting to the heart of the process. Once you've opened the card you want to add a checklist to, the next step is to find and click on the checklist option within the card menu. It will prompt you to name your checklist, giving you the chance to organize your tasks by category or step. Once you've decided on a suitable name, click on Add to create the checklist. With your checklist in place, you can now start adding items, which we'll refer to as tasks. Type in the name of your first task and click Add to append it to the list. As you complete each task, you can simply click on it to mark it as done, allowing for that satisfying check mark to appear. This process can be repeated for every additional task you wish to include. Naming each task clearly helps maintain focus and clarity, especially when you're part of a larger team collaborating on the same board. Remember, organizing tasks with checklists in Trello not only helps you keep track of your own responsibilities, but also enhances collaboration when you're working with others. It provides transparency and accountability as everyone can easily see the progress being made. Be sure to play around with different checklist titles and task orders to find what best suits your working style. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a checklist to a card in Trello, making your project management more organized and efficient. Give yourself a pat on the back for taking this step towards more streamlined productivity. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other Trello tutorials for more tips and tricks.